Hello guys. Today I would like to talk about what makes a great offer for your ad in your headline. See, every headline in every ad needs to make an offer to the reader. And in the copywriting world, we call it an irresistible offer. An offer that cannot be refused. So a lot of people offer things like a free ebook or a free download or something of value that they exchange for somebody's email address. And then through the email marketing, they sell the other products. And apparently they have a 42% success rate in that. So email marketing is one of the most effective ways of marketing, and a lot of people have made a lot of money through that strategy. So what makes a great offer is something we have all learned from this great professor called Robert Cialdini. So he talked about the law of reciprocity. So he is actually a lecturer at the university, and they were doing research on human beings and what makes us feel obliged to people. And they were keeping this research material internally until he thought, what's the point of just keeping it in the research lab when the people need to know about what triggers each other that makes us actually make a purchase. So the psychology of it. So he discovered that the law of reciprocity. So whenever we receive something, we feel obliged to reciprocate. So that's what marketers use when you walk into a mall or a supermarket or a hypermarket where people are offering you free samples, try this and try that, and you take a little sip of something, and at the end of your shopping trip, you realize that you actually bought the product that you tested. Invariably, that has a psychological thing in us that when somebody gives us something that we value or for free, we feel obliged to reciprocate, to give it back. So he did a research, and if you remember in the old American movies, like Living in Malaysia, for example, or if you are in America, even some shops here in Malaysia, they will give free, there is a shop in America that used to give free chocolates to the kids of parents who used to bring them in. And during the shopping trip of the mom, when they see the product and knowing that the child already likes the product, they would buy the product and pay for it. So that is the law of reciprocity. So in your headline, always try to offer something of value. Now, free, obviously, people like if you got a free ebook on how to lose weight in 5 days, how to learn cycling, how to learn drive a car, how to learn parasailing, anything. And if you give it to them, and if later in your email sequence you have a course that you want to sell to them, or you got personal coaching, you can sell all of those. So that's what they call a lead magnet in marketing. But so in the headline, you need to come up with something that is really attractive for the reader, right? To engage with you so that you have their contact and you can make a sale with them. Or if you're trying to sell something outright through the ad, then you got to put that benefit in the headline straight away so that they get attracted to it and they can't resist it, and they got to take action. So how to write a great headline, these are things that we teach in our courses, which are our most popular course is our copywriting and content writing course. And why we combine both is because copywriting is used for outbound marketing, which is used for your advertising mostly. And inbound marketing, where we use content writing, is for when people search for us online and they find our product. So how to write search engine optimized copy. that is covered in content writing. And these are the only two types of writing anybody would need to succeed in digital marketing, which is outbound marketing and inbound marketing. So you just need to learn copywriting and content writing. So coming back to Robert Cialdini's theory of reciprocity, offer something for free or for dirt cheap and give like really high value. That's why you see sometimes some of these American products that we see online, they offer all kinds of ebooks and trainings and coaching and all that, and all you got to pay is $7, you know, and you think, oh, that's a no-brainer, it's such a great offer, I don't even need to think about it, so here you go. So imagine if a million people thought the same way and bought the product for $5, that seller already made $5 million. So you see where I'm coming from. So do not be afraid to give your best stuff, not your best stuff really, but give something of value, right? Because if it doesn't offer value to your reader or to the consumer, then it's not going to be successful. People are not going to download it, they're not going to interact with you. So treat people with respect and give them the best you can, right? And offer great stuff to them. And of course, you would always have something better that you can offer them for a fee later on. So coming back to your headline, always incorporate something so attractive that the reader will want to take advantage of it right now. Okay, so that's another tip that I have for you using Robert Cialdini's theory of reciprocity. Give something and let the people's natural habits pay you back, basically. All right, I hope you found that beneficial. If you'd like to find out more about the courses we offer, please visit our website, which is www.schoolofdigitaladvertising.com. My name is Joy Nandy, and I'm the founder of that school, and I'm also the trainer of copywriting and content writing. Please have a look at our website. Please look at the details of our courses. They're HRDC claimable. And please, by all means, please also do look at the reviews of our past participants. Thank you very much for your attention. And please do check out our other videos. Take care. Bye-bye.